Hello, this is Pamela. Welcome to my channel. Grab you a cup of coffee, sit back and relax, and enjoy some good old yarny talk. Hello, this is Pamela, and you're on Pamela's Adoring Crochet. If you are new to my channel, I'd like to say welcome, and I'm so glad to have you, and thank you for all my returning yarny friends. I appreciate each and every one of you, and like I said, if you are new to my channel is mostly all about crochet. Okay, so go ahead and grab you something to drink. I'm just drinking good old black coffee this morning in one of my newer cups from one of my yarny peeps. And it says, with Jesus in her heart, crochet hook in her hand, she is unstoppable. I love this cup. Thank you so much for this, Janelle. I appreciate that. Okay, let's go ahead and get started in today's video. Well, as you know, I did release day 2 of the crochet along. And so for day 2, we just worked on the body here. Nice and simple. I'm telling you guys, this is a really easy crochet along. So that's day 2. Day 1, the neck is part of day 1, and then the body's day 2. Okay, so if you don't know about my crochet along, I will leave the link in the description box below, and go check out this crochet along. And here is the first one. This is the one I made for the tutorial. And so here's the head and the body. And then tomorrow we will be working on the arms and the legs. You'll be attaching those. And then the fun really starts because you're going to be working on all the different wigs. I mean, that's the fun part. What else? This is my favorite hair right here. It's the little mess of hair. So that's my favorite. Okay, let's see what I have next. Oh yes, I did a little quick tutorial on how to crochet a granny square. And I know a lot of you guys have been crocheting for a while, and you're like, well, that's nothing new, Pamela. Well, the thing is, the reason I did this is because I am teaching one of my sisters. It's Tanya. Hi, Tanya. I am teaching her how to crochet. And so we met at my mom's house, and I wanted to show her this because she was wanting to make a blanket for her granddaughter. Her granddaughter picked out the yarn and everything. And so what I did is I went ahead, because we were like time constrained, and so I went ahead and did this middle part. Because I was like, you know, once you do that middle part, what you're going to do when you go home is just strictly the runway and the corners. And you're just going to keep doing that until it gets bigger and bigger and bigger. This looks like a piece of cheese when I look at it in the camera. Anyway, and so she went home and she did that. Well, then I had come down sick. And so she just kept working on this thing. But in the middle, while I was under the weather, she was like, she wanted to learn to make the beginning, because she wanted to start another one or start something. I don't remember what she was wanting to make with it. And so she went to YouTube and she found several videos that she watched, but she could not understand what they were saying, you know, to start. And then she finally found one. And so then I started feeling better, and so we got to talking and stuff, and she showed me her, you know, where she was, and then that's when she told me about the videos. And she said what was sad, though, is that a lot of these videos that she was watching, they say for absolute beginners, easy, and all this type of stuff. And I told her, I said, well, I feel really bad because I don't have a granny square. She could have watched my video. Anyway, and so I promised her I'd get my video out yesterday, and I did. It was kind of late because it's almost a 20-minute video just to do this little piece right here. And so I went ahead and I got it out, and I told her, I said, go ahead and watch it and let me know, is mine beginner friendly? Like, can you, as a, with her having beginner eyes, beginner skills, you know, the beginner knowledge, I said, watch my video and let me know if you can comprehend starting the middle. You know, a lot of us have been crocheting for a while, and we take that for granted. How to do a magic ring, how to chain 4 and slip stitch into the beginning chain. We all take that for granted. And so I'm seeing this with a new perspective by teaching her to crochet, that even I probably need to slow down some and take time for the new crocheters out there that are wanting to enter this new world that, you know, that I love so much and that you guys love so much. So I want to, especially for her sake and for others like her, I want to start putting out a little bit more tutorials to benefit the new crocheter. And I still work with some of you guys that have been crocheting for a while. I'll still be doing those things, of course. But yeah, I want to concentrate on this. And that way when my sister needs a place to go, she can go to my channel because I'll have it for her. So, and for others, of course. But anyway, so that's where I'm at on that. So that's why I put this tutorial out yesterday. All right, the next thing is I will be doing a tutorial because she said she needed some coasters. Well, I do too. And so I thought, we got to talking and she suggested doing holiday themed coasters. So this will be a tutorial. Hopefully I will get this out this afternoon. And they're just the round coasters, but they're done in the holiday themed colors. They're here. So I'm so excited over these. And then here's the Halloween. And I told my husband, I said, okay, hon, so your first coaster and stuff, because his coaster is so flat. He uses it, you know, coffee cups are heavy. And he uses that same coaster over and over and over. And I've lost mine. I don't know where mine is. Probably underneath my chair. And anyway, so when he's not using his, I'm grabbing his and using mine. And well, apparently my sister's going through the same issues. And so she's like, please get a coaster out there. So I tried to make a beginner-friendly coaster so that when my sister gets ready to make this evening, she's got a place to go. And hopefully you do too. Anyway, so that's another thing I'm working on. I just love the holiday themed ones. I mean, really, Valentine's Day, pull out your Valentine ones. I mean, now I really wanted these to be done in cotton, and most of these are, but some of them I just did not have cotton in those colors. Like this and the white I think might be cotton, but the rest is acrylic. This one is all cotton. The white in this one and just the white is cotton. The rest is acrylic. And this one is all cotton. And that one's all cotton. But yeah, I ran out of cotton in certain colors. I didn't have enough colors of cotton. So that lets me know I need to work on that. All right. Oh yes, the other thing. I did finish slippers for my mom. And this is funny because I went to her house yesterday. And it was probably an hour after finishing these. And I go over there and she's wearing some slippers this color. Not this up here, but this right here. And I was like, Mom, okay, that's where this other half of the yarn went. Apparently, because this is not enough yarn. So I had to stop right there and do 4 rows of red on each end because I ran out of this bright, colorful yarn. Oh my gosh, that is beautiful. And so then I chose green for up here, and then I used a little bit what I had left for the trim to tie it all together. And I was like, what did I do with that skein of yarn? I could not remember. Well, apparently I made my mom a pair of slippers. So she'll be getting another one. But these are different because, like I said, the heel is red and then it has the green. When hers that she had on was this, the whole thing was this color right here. So anyway, this is my August slippers that she will get for Christmas because, like I said, I'm doing the towel toppers, the crochet along. So if you're not involved in the crochet along for the towel toppers, get involved. Get you those towels. We're going into September. Well, I'm fixing to be starting my August one today, the 2 towel toppers. No, wait. I have 4 towel toppers. I will be finishing those today. And each month I make a pair of slippers off of my pattern. I'll leave the link up here. And I'll leave it in the description box below as well. So that you can click on that. And make slippers like me. This is just the kind of slippers that me and my mom and my sisters, this is what we wear. So look at that. It is really cool. So I'll leave this link below, and you can go check it out. All right, the other thing that I have, I did shop at yarnnut.com. That's Gia, and she sent me a free gift in my package. It says free gift. Thank you so much, Gia, for this. If you want Hobie yarn, Ice yarn, and I think there's another one, I can't remember what it is, but just go to yarnnut.com and you'll see. She's got several different brands. And so she sent me this gold metallic. It's, well, the label is hiding part of it. I can't tell exactly. It's 30 grams, but as far as it says metallic lurex and polyester gold. But I can't tell. It just says percentage, but it don't say the amount. But isn't that pretty? And so I get 2 of these to try and work with for the holidays coming up. Thank you so much, Gia, for that. I appreciate that very much. So what I ordered is, let's see, 2, 4, 6, 8. Yeah, thought I ordered 10. I ordered 10 of this blue right here. This is the same yarn that she has donated, but for the project that Alyssa and I from Llama Unraveled Crochet are working on. And I was working with the yellow, which I don't have too much, and I'm done with mine. I will be doing, but matter of fact, I will be doing a tutorial on that on that cardigan, and Alyssa will have the written PDF pattern. So that's how we're splitting it. But anyway, here it is. I picked blue, and I like I said, I like that yarn so much working with it that I went in and bought another color. And I forgot how many colors she has, but I'll leave the link to this exact yarn. But there are so many colors to pick from. I mean, it's just some beautiful yarn. But it says Ice Yarns. It's the Baby DK is what it is. The Summer Baby DK, I think is what it is. And it don't have a color on here. I've lost my receipt. Not my receipt, I guess my invoice. There you go. Some reason I've lost the invoice that went in this. I don't have it here. Maybe it's in, I don't know. I was thinking maybe it might be in my whip cart. But the receipt that's in, the invoice that's in the whip cart is the one for the yellow that she donated to us for our project. Okay. Anyway, the next thing that I ordered from her is one of these little bags right here. Isn't that cute? Hold on. And it's a Maker's Design Create. It's from Darius. And I think I paid like $3 for this bag. Let's see. It says, craft something great today. And it's just for whenever I'm working on my blankets and stuff, because I have a lot of blankets I'm fixing to be starting. In fact, I have to control myself, calm myself down about it, because I have a list of blankets that I want to make by Christmas. And so I did start one yesterday, and then I turned around and frogged it. And I got quite a bit done. It was the one for my brother-in-law. I changed my mind. In my Mary Maxim kit, the green one, you remember when I got that? I'm in the Mary Maxim quarterly Afghan kit. So every 3 months, I think it's like $30, they send me an Afghan kit. It's the pattern and all the yarn that you need to make the Afghan. And so this last one they sent me, I forgot about it. And so while I was in there working on his blanket, I didn't know what design to use, so I decided to do the corner to corner. Well, then I came in here last night after doing my filming, and I saw that Mary Maxim bag, and I was like, wonder what pattern is in there for that Afghan. And so I pulled it out, and I was like, okay, this is the pattern that I want to use. It's the same exact yarn that I'm using for his blanket and that I plan on using for my sister's blankets. And I was like, this is a really cool pattern. And I'm sorry I don't have the pattern in here, but I tell you what, I plan on working on that today. And so I will show that in tomorrow's video, and so you can see the pattern that I decided to go with. But But yeah, so I frogged all that I had done on the corner to corner part. I didn't think I was ever going to quit frogging. But you know, guys, I don't mind doing that. I love crochet so much that that's just part of it. You know, if I don't like something, that's the beauty of yarn. If I don't like something I'm working on, I just take it apart and start something else. It's not a big deal to me. Okay, so the other thing that I have is my daughter, Jennifer, she came by yesterday and she dropped off some towels. And she said, Mom, here's you some towels for like October. But I think this one here would be more for November. Pumpkin spice and everything nice. I think I may save this one for November. I'm not sure. But she got this one. It says Spooky Halloween. And it's on both sides. So when I cut this in half, two people will each get, you know, something on there. A lot of times the back side is plain. Like this one, I bet. Yeah, see. So like when I cut this one in half, the other half won't have anything on it, which is not a big deal. You know, the main thing is you're making the towel topper and the people just love it. Or at least the ladies in my family do. And then this is the other one that she gave. It says Scary and Gnome It. Look at that. Isn't that cute? And then it's on the back side as well. And this purple, that is so cool. I've never had a purple dish towel. So actually there's enough for 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. There's enough for 12 in here. Thank you so much for that, Jennifer. I appreciate that. Okay, I got to grab me a drink real quick, guys. It's always good. All right, so the last thing, let's go ahead and do our 365 days of prayer. It says, my deepest pain. Blessed are those who mourn, for they shall be comforted. Matthew 5:4. That's in the NASB version. Lord, it comforts me to know you are always wise, always good, always for me, especially in my grief. Jesus said we are blessed when we mourn. It's confounding to those who have never known loss or known it with you as their comforter. But to me, it is beautiful truth. Only in my deepest pain did I grasp the depth of your love, that I could feel even a minute of joy while suffering the loss of someone I loved so dearly was a gift so sweet it could only have come from you. That I could believe in my great sadness I would ever be happy again was a testament to the comforting power of your love. Thank you for being there. That is very, very good for right now. I have lost a dear friend just this past week. And yes, so that's a very comforting. Thank you, Lord, for that. I appreciate that. Very comforting. Okay, so yeah, I have a lot going on. Stay tuned tomorrow, this evening, hopefully, I will get this tutorial out. I'm pretty sure I'll have time to do this evening. I still have the Annie's Kit project bag, yes. So I will work on that one, work on this, start that blanket, do those towel toppers. And then I will be releasing this pattern. Like I said, the dolls pattern is, the tutorial is all done for the whole week. All I have to do is go in and edit the description box and just make it public. It's ready for each day. So that's a blessing that I did all that last week. My entire week last week was this doll. Yeah, if you'll notice, I did end up getting my farmhouse granny blanket done, and I did the rooster pillow, but that's all I did last week besides this. Those are the only 2 things I worked on. Okay. All right, that's all that I have for this video. I hope you have enjoyed this as much as I have. I enjoyed showing this stuff off so much today with you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.